Hello student, in the chapters haloalkanes and haloarenes, today we will discuss preparations method of haloalkane and haloarenes. Here the halide exchange method, halide exchange reaction. The halide exchange reaction is known as Franklin-Stein reaction. This is the name reaction. Dear student, you always remember the name reactions of the organic compound. Okay, so here the name reaction, that is Franklin-Stein reaction. Dear student, Franklin-Stein reaction used for the formation of alkyl iodide. Used for formation of alkyl iodide. Dear student, here we take alkyl halides, that is alkyl bromide or alkyl chloride, and it react with the sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone. Dear student, sodium iodide and bromine from the alkyl bromide react with each other and formed sodium bromide. We use dry acetone for the formation of precipitate, means solid materials of sodium bromide, and alkyl from the RBr and I from the sodium iodide react with each other and form alkyl iodide. This is the method of formation alkyl iodide, that is Ri. Okay student, the method preparation for alkyl iodide is the Franklin-Stein reaction. Yes student, now discuss another method for halide exchange, that is Schwarz reaction. It is also a name reaction. It is used for formation. Alkyl fluoride. Dear student, again Franklin-Stein reaction used for formation alkyl iodide, and Schwarz reactions used for the formation alkyl fluoride. Okay. For the formation of alkyl fluoride, we use alkyl halides. We react alkyl halide with the silver fluoride or mercurous fluoride. When silver fluoride react with the alkyl halides, then from here silver react with the bromide and form silver bromide at a precipitate, and alkyl halide is formed, that is CH3 from here F, so formed here CH3F, that is methyl fluoride. Okay student, this is the method of formation alkyl fluoride. This method is known as Schwarz reaction. Now here mercurous fluoride. In this reaction, mercury react with the chlorine and form Hg2Cl2, and here CH3 react with the fluoride and form CH3F, that is methyl fluoride. This method is known as Schwarz reaction. Okay student. Dear student, now discuss nature of CX bond in haloalkanes. Dear student, in previous lecture I am discussed about the nature of bond, but today again discuss in the details nature of CX bond, because it is important to understand the concept of haloalkane and haloarenes. Dear student, here carbon bonded with the, in haloarenes a carbons bonded with halogens. Dear student, you know that the electronegativity, means En value of halogens is greater than the carbon. So the electrons from the carbon displaced toward the halogens and develop delta minus on halogen and delta plus on carbon. Due to development of the partial charge, it known as the polar. Dear student, it means haloalkane and haloarenes is known as a polar compound. Now discuss, dear student, here reactivity of alkyl halide is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. Dear student, if in a questions given many halides, then how do you identify which halides is more reactive halides? Dear student, we conclude the halides which have the more stable carbocations is known as the active halides. Dear student, here for example CH3, CH2, Cl. Here the electrons, the bond present between the Cl is go to the towards the electron move towards the chlorine and form a plus charge on the carbons. Here this is the first structure, and in second here 2-degree halides. In 2-degree halides the cations formed 2-degree carbocation. Here 3-degree halides, because in these halides 3 alkyl group are attached with the carbons which is joined with the chlorine. Here after the movement of electrons towards the chlorine, at the carbons center carbon formed carbocations. Dear student, but this carbocation is 3-degree carbocation and here 1-degree carbocation, and this is 2-degree carbocation. Dear student, always remember stability of carbocation is third is most stable carbocation than second, and second is more stable than first. It means 3-degree carbocation is the more stable carbocation as compared to 2-degree carbocation and 1-degree carbocation. Always remember that reactivity of alkyl halides is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. It means 3-degree carbocation, that is third carbocation, is more stable carbocation. It means more active carbocations. Okay, student. Now discuss bond length. Dear student, bond length. You know that the, in the periodic table, go down the group, size of the atoms increase. In halogens, first atom is fluoride, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. It means chlorine is the smallest atom and iodine is the largest atom. As the size of atom increase, the bond length is also increase. So you know that iodine have the highest larger size and fluorine is lower size, smaller size. So bond length also iodine larger bond length and CF is small bond length. So the bond length order is CF, Cl, Br and Ci. Ci have the largest bond length because the size of iodine is larger than the bromine, chlorine and fluorine. Okay, student. Now discuss physical properties. Dear student, color of colors of pure alkyl halides are colorless. Dear student, pure alkyl halides are colorless, but bromide and iodide develop color when exposed in the light. When you leave the bromide and iodide in the sunlight, after the exposing light it convert into color substance. Okay. Alkyl halides have the sweet smelling liquid. They are sweet smelling liquid. Alkyl halides are sweet smelling liquid, and the lower members are the colorless gas. The lower member of alkyl halide are colorless gas, and higher member are liquid or solid. Higher members of alkyl halides are liquid and or solid. Dear student, a most important point, that is the melting point and boiling point. Dear student, higher the corresponding alkane. The alkane which have the same molecular mass as compared to haloalkanes. Haloalkane have the higher boiling and melting point as compared to alkane which have the same mass. It is because you know that haloalkane is polar in nature. We should discuss here. Haloalkane is polar in nature. Therefore, boiling and melting point of haloalkanes are the greater than the corresponding alkanes. Okay. Boiling point increase increase the number of carbon atom. Dear student, if in a haloalkanes number of carbon atom increase, then you say that the boiling point also increase. It is because due to increase the van der Waals force. When number of carbon atoms increase in a chain, van der Waals force also increase, which held the carbon's molecule to close to each other and take a higher temperature to boil. Dear student, boiling point decrease with increased branch chain. Dear student, when in a compound's number of branch chains increase, then boiling point decreases. It is because the surface area decreases. Because the surface area decreases. When surface area decreases, van der Waals force also decreases. And when the molecule van der Waals force decreases, molecule held weakly and take smaller temperature to boil. Okay, students. Here is the example. For example, here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon chain. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon chain. But the boiling point of this compound is higher than this. It is because in this compound, in these three compounds, same number of carbon, same number of hydrogen, but this compound is the straight chain compound. But in this compound, one branch chain, and in this compound, two branch chain are present. You know that as the number of branch chain increases, then boiling point is decreased due to decrease the van der Waals force. Dear student, it is not complete physical property. In next lecture, we discuss other physical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Thank you very much.